Big point, Microsoft will be carbon negative by 2030. And what that means, obviously, is that these guys are putting the hammer to everybody, suppliers, themselves, whatever's necessary, to basically reverse what's going on for hundreds of years. And I think they can do it because, remember, they are a powerful force, maybe the most powerful, especially when it comes to data centers, of almost any company on Earth. So I think they can make an impact. I think this is real. This is not greenwash.
Give us a little insight, Jim, into the kind of conversation you think you're going to have with Satya tonight.
Well, I think we're going to have to talk about how this company has reinvented itself. By the way, I think we have to talk about how Satya has decided these are the kinds of things we have to do in order to be able to be a real and a good company, which is you got to make profit along the way of trying to make society better. It's interesting. This is not a Milton Friedman story. This is a company that is uniquely trying to, I would say, evolve its stripes. And, of course, we're going to find out about what's going on with Azure, which may be the fastest growing large company within a company in the world.
You know, the other day, Jim, I heard you say on Squawk on the Street, you know, in looking at some of these moves that we've seen in these big, popular mega cap tech stocks like Apple, not to buy. You urged people not to buy it now, to wait for earnings, to see if the earnings justify the move. Do you need to have that same strategy when it comes to a stock like Microsoft, which has had its own fabulous move?
Actually, that's probably the only one that is run with a level of rigor that you can say it will still under promise. Amy Hood, the CFO, has been around she's fabulous. I've known her for 3 decades, and she's been able to project in a much more solid way what the company can do. It's probably the one that I'm least worried about of the around $1 trillion stocks. Contrast that with Alphabet. I have no idea what they're going to report. I mean, none. Amazon, they've historically done a terrible job on report day. Apple, we've seen the stock go down significantly, even when they do okay. Not Microsoft. Microsoft has figured out how to be able to report the number in a way that is consistent, terrific, and better than expected.